Hi, I'm Tara Davis with Chesapeake Bay Magazine, here with John Johnson today with Creative Spaces, and we're here at the Huff residence, and this is your next project. Tell us what's going on.
Sure, I'd love to. We're very excited to show you guys how we got here, because that's really how people ask us all the time. You know, you have a concept, how do you turn the concept that's in your head onto drawings and then actually start to build it, right? So we are at the Huff residence, like she said, on the West River, and we have quite a few challenges on this project. We have a house that's actually in front of this house that we're renovating, but we still need to capture that water view. So how are we going to do that and make it all look natural? So that's kind of the challenge to this project. Right now we're at the demolition stage, and so things are being torn apart, we're opening things up, but actually the best person to talk to about that would be my architectural designer, Kevin. So he will walk us through the house and tell us all about it and how we got there. Hey.
Hey Tara, how are you?
Hey, Kevin.
Hey,
good.
Just taking on some things up here in the demo part, structurally. Cool. So you want to come in and take a look?
That would be great.
Walk you through.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So what I like to do as we're going through this project is to kind of give the viewers an idea of why we're doing certain things. You know, what was the challenges of the project and how did we overcome those challenges for the clients?
Sure.
So if you can kind of give us an idea, what are we looking at here?
Well, I think one of the biggest challenges is that we have a house next door, and the views right now from the old kitchen, we're staring basically right at it. So what we're trying to do is to get the views where the views are. Mm-hmm. So we're changing the windows. We're going to get rid of the double hung windows. We're going to put in some big picture windows with a awning below. So more of a modern look is what we're after here. The customers have remodeled homes before, so they've made a lot of the decisions early on. They had sketches, they had great ideas about what they wanted, mostly because they've done this before. But the reality of it is that we really wanted to open up the space, give it an open floor plan, as well as opening up all the views. So what you'll see in the transition as we go through this is that focus, the focus of hiding the house next to us and opening up the views to this great West River.
I'm Mark Huff, and this is my wife Lisa Huff, and we moved here to Shadyside back in Memorial Day of 2023 weekend, and we came and looked at this house and several other houses in the area and just decided that we were ready to make a move, and so we put in an offer, and on that Tuesday we got the house. And so that was I guess over the week after 4th of July, and we actually moved in on over Labor Day. And we were living here for up until now, and then we decided to work with Creative Spaces Remodeling on kind of reimagining the home given its location. Like that was what really drew us to the home, was just kind of seeing the views that were here, what we might be able to have kind of as a permanent home. And the home itself was in pretty good shape, but it needed a lot of work kind of to bring it up to date. So had good bones, but it just didn't quite have exactly all the finishes we were looking for.
We loved the location, and we're close to our friends, so we plan on having lots of dinner parties.
Well, this is where we're going to see the most dramatic change, because this wall is going to be a larger picture window here. We're really focusing on the views. This is I think the Chesapeake Bay Bridge over on this side, so we'll be able to see a lot more of that. This is also going to be their dining area. So where they have a lot of dining, it's right off the kitchen. Again, open floor plan, taking this closet out. This is actually going to become an office because both owners work at home and they need a space that they can actually go into and close the doors. So not only is it going to be an office, but it's an office with views. So it's a really nice way to spend your day.
Cool. And also, as far as the closing the door benefit would be so they don't hear all the demolition going on in the kitchen.
I don't think we get away from that for a little while anyway.
Got it. All right, John, thank you so much for having us come through the project today. And we're going to come back to this in a few months to see the finished project, and I can't wait to see what that looks like.
That's wonderful. Yeah, we're excited to show you what the end result is, you know, because it's starting out now with, you know, how we started. You're seeing the demo today, and then we're going to show you the extraordinary that we're going to bring to the end of this project. And in fact, you know, if anybody needs to reach out to us and contact us, just go to remodelthebay.com and we'll turn your ordinary into extraordinary.